Namaste to all students. Myself JVM Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about inversion of sucrose protocol. This is a simple experiment that demonstrates the decomposition of sucrose by dissolving sucrose in hydrochloric acid. The product formed are optically active and their optical rotation can be determined by use of colorimeter. This first order reaction follows a differential equation. Equipments and supplies which we need: hydrochloric acid 4 and 6 molar, sucrose, sodium lamp, colorimeter, jacket colorimeter tube, volumetric flask, graduated cylinders, constant temperature bath, and deionized water. Now come to the procedure. The sodium lamp should be turned on at the beginning of the lab and positioned on the lab branch. The lamp takes 20 to 30 minutes to warm up, so it should be done first. Turn on the water bath and adjust the temperature appropriately, connecting a hose from the outlet of the constant temperature bath to one end of the jacketed colorimeter tube. Connected Connect another hose to the another side of the tube so that the flow of the water can return to the constant temperature bath. A 100 ml solution of 4 molar HCl should be prepared. Place the flask in the constant temperature bath, securing it with a clamp and ring stem. A 100 ml solution of 0.2 gram per ml sucrose should be prepared. Place a flask in the contained temperature bar, securing it with a clamp and ring stand. After the apparatus has had time to equilibrate, rinse the colorimeter tube first with deionized water, then with the sucrose solution. Fill the colorimeter tube with the sucrose solution and take an initial reading on the colorimeter. This will be taken as time 0 and again raise the colorimeter tube with deionized water. Remove the two flasks containing 4 molar HCl and sucrose solution from the constant temperature bath. Separately measure 25 ml of each solution into 250 ml graduated cylinders. Mix the solution in the graduated cylinders at the same time starting the stopwatch. Mix the solution 3 or 4 times, then rinse the colorimeter tube with the mixture, then the colorimeter tube with the mixture, being sure to clear all bubbles from the tube. This can be done by slowly tightening the tube back and forth until all the bubbles flow out. Within taking time, reading after 10 minutes for 4 molar solution, the continue taking reading every 10 minutes for 30 minutes. Each after 30 minutes begin taking 5-minute intervals reading as long as per time permits. Begin taking reading for 6 morning 6 a.m. solution after 5 minutes and continue taking readings in 5-minute intervals as well as time permits. Leave the solution in the colorimeter at the end of the lab and final reading will be time infinity, and this should be approximately 2 days followed the experiment. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti, that is University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.